Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to do example number 3. You can see what is given to us. Array OP, OQ, OR and OS are 4 rays and they all are meeting at a point O. What we have to prove is angle POQ plus QOR means this angle plus this angle, this ROS and POS. This all 4 angles addition is equal to 360 degree. Now, to produce this array up to T produces a ray of OQ. This is the ray which we produces. Now here what is the meaning of produce? Produce means we are extending a ray which is not given in the figure. For our solution, we are drawing a ray and the ray or a line which we draw not given in the figure, then always draw with a dotted lines. Okay. Now, so what we will write it proof. Let us produce a ray OQ backward to a point T, so that TOQ is a line. Understood? Now, what we will write it? First step it is now OP ray stands on TOQ line. Therefore, we can write it angle POT plus angle POQ is equal to 180 degree because linear pair axon. Now, dear students, always remember, write it here reason in bracket. It is required, which gives this bracket gives you the logical reasoning why and how this came. So this is important and named it as a first one. Now, similarly, OS ray stands on TOQ line. So once again, therefore, we can write it like this also. For this angle TOS, angle TOS plus QOS or SOQ we can write it is equal to 180 degree. Both the way you can write it, QOS or SOQ, that will be same only. Same reason it is linear pair axon and write it as 2. But angle SOQ is equal to, you can see here, SOQ, this angle is having 2 adjacent angles in it. So SOQ is equal to angle SOR plus angle QOR. So, 2. This equation becomes like this. Angle TOS plus angle, instead of SOQ, I can write it this 3 angles SOR plus angle QOR is equal to 180 degree. This we named it as 3. Now adding 1 and 3, we get 1, this one, angle POT plus angle POQ plus angle TOS plus angle SOR plus angle QOR is equal to 180 plus 180. So right side is added once all together and left side is added all together. You can see in the first one POT plus POQ, POT plus POQ, and third one TOS, SOR and QOR. These 3 are there. What is that? Right side 180, 180, 180 plus 180. But angle, you can see, if this T is OT ray is not there, then we can have it POS as a one angle only. I can write it POT plus TOS is equal to angle POS. Therefore, above equation becomes POT and TOS can be written as POS. So, instead of these 2 underlined angles, I wrote it POS plus angle POQ plus angle SOR and plus angle QOR is equal to 360. You can see what we have to prove is all the angles are there. So, hence we had proved that addition of all these angles will give me 360 degree. Continuing further with the exercise 6.1 question number 1. What is given to us? 2 lines AB and CD is given and it is intersecting at a point O, and a ray OE is also there. And what else is given? Angle AOC plus angle BOE. The addition of these 2 angles is 70 degree and angle BOD is alone 40 degree. This is given to us. Now, by looking this figure, what you can say is AOB, which sort of a line it produces? Straight line angle. So the addition of angle AOC plus COE plus BOE is equal to 180 degree. AOB is a line. Therefore, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. Straight line, because straight line angle. Okay. So, what you will get is 180, but angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore, 70 so 1 becomes 70 plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110. Angle COE is equal to 110. Continuing further, for the COD. Now, COD is a line. So, therefore, angle COE plus angle BOE plus BOE plus BOD is equal to 180 degree, because straight line angle, named it as a second. We are having the value of COE and BOD, but angle COE is equal to 110 and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. So, 2 becomes 110 plus 40 plus what is remaining now? BOE angle remain. Therefore, angle BOE is equal to 180 minus addition of this will be 150. So, we will get it 30 degree. Angle BOE. Now, reflex angle. COE reflex angle, we want to prove it. So, reflex angle COE is 360 minus angle COE. 360 minus 110. This will give me 250 degree. Reflex angle COE. So, our required angles, we got it. Now, I am explaining you what is the reflex angle COE. Reflex angle COE means COE. We have to remove this one and rest of whole angle we will take it. That is known as a reflex angle COE. Understood? So here we got it, the required values of an angle. Thank you students for watching the video. Stay home, keep learning, stay safe.